Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, we're going to talk about some Anvil brand pocket knives this morning. I don't know a whole lot about Anvil brand, but I picked up several of these little Stockmans. They're all in good shape, 3 blades. Providence, USA, Anvil brand. Like I said, I'm still doing research on them to find out exactly some little more information on them. They're really cool knives. I'm not real sure what this material is on the side, but they're pretty well made knives. I got 4, all different colors and different stages of condition, but they're all in pretty good condition. I wouldn't say any of them are in bad condition. Some of them's got a little bit of pitting going on, but not nothing bad. I've still got to do a really thorough cleanup on them. Alright folks, here's a little dive into the excuse me, the Anvil brand pocket knives. I've got several pictures here of some of them, but it says the Anvil brand of pocket knives has a rich history rooted in American craftsmanship, particularly from the mid-20th century. While detailed records are limited, available information provides insight into its origin and evolution. Origins and manufacturing. The Anvil brand was associated with Colonial Knife Company, a renowned knife manufacturer based in Providence, Rhode Island. The United States Patent and Trademark Office records indicate that the Anvil trademark was registered by Colonial Knife Company in 1972 and was used in commerce starting in 1971. The brand was primarily known for producing pocket knives, including popular patterns like the Stockman and jackknives. These knives featured high carbon steel blades and durable Delrin handles, reflecting the quality craftsmanship of the era. Design and features. Anvil knives were characterized by their traditional designs and reliable functionality. The Stockman knives, for instance, typically featured 3 blades, clip, sheep's foot, and spay, making them versatile tools for everyday carry. The handles were often made of Delrin, a tough plastic material, and the blades were etched with honed edge to signify their sharpness. Although the Anvil trademark was canceled in 2004, the brand's knives remain collectible items among knife enthusiasts. Vintage Anvil knives, especially those in unused, pristine condition, are sought after for their historical value and craftsmanship. Collectors often find these knives through online marketplaces and specialty retailers. Modern day associations. In recent years, the name Anvil has been adopted by various companies in the knife industry. For example, Anvil Bladesmiths, based in British Columbia, Canada, produces high quality knives focusing on build quality, handle comfort, and ergonomics. Their products are available in Canada and the USA primarily through their website and Amazon. Another company, Anvil Knives USA, offers a range of knives including out the front and everyday carry models. Their products are designed for durability and performance, catering to modern knife enthusiasts. And all that, but I mean, they're really some pretty knives, and I don't know if it'll be something, if these will be knives that I will keep, or if they might wind up going on the website with a stand. I'm thinking about doing some knife stands out of the wood, like this one over here, the cedar wood or the cherry wood knife stands, and putting these knives on there with that, and including it in like a package and putting it on the website. But these are they seem like some very well made knives. This is my first experience with an anvil knife, but they are USA made knives. They've all got patent numbers on them, and like I said, I don't know a whole lot of history on them, but I am going to do somewhere in this video, there will either be a pop-up on a picture or something with some history about the anvil knives, or I will get on here and talk about them. Because I'd like for everybody to know the history of them, and kind of how they originated and what they were made for, and but they're really unique. I mean, I love the handles on them, and I may wind up talking myself into keeping them, but for right now, my plans are to make some stands to go along with them and resell them. That's the plans for right now. But I just wanted to share these with you. Y'all give me your thoughts and comments on them. Let me know if you know anything about them. I sure would like to learn some more about them. So if y'all know anything about them, just leave your comments down there. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. The channel's growing. Seems like it grows just a tad, a little bit every day. And I appreciate all of y'all. Thank y'all so much for all the support and everything y'all do. Y'all have a blessed day.
Alright folks, the call rings clear from a forge where blades appear. Rugged cross knives, bold and bright, born of fire, shaped with might. Steel and leather side by side, crafted strong with maker's pride. Blades that whisper, edges keen, stories sharp and surfaces clean. Old knives weathered, scarred with rust, find new life in skilled hands' trust. Alright folks, the maker grins where every blade and tail begins. So sing of steel, of edge and high, of passion, skill, and crafted pride. For in each knife, a soul